Well, a beautiful sunset to end a perfect day, but very cold and windy, as you can see. It's been very windy all day. It's been very cold. Perfect sunset to end a very cold day here. Temperatures, I don't even think got out of the 20s. I think the low today was like 15. Another spectacular sunset here. No star hunting tonight, apparently. As you can see, it's cloudy, very cloudy. So, and also it's very cold. So, I'm going to wait for it. If it is clear outside, I'm going to wait for a night before I start star hunting again. So maybe warmer night, maybe a night that's going to be 30 at least. Last night was really cold. Last night was probably, I would say, 10 degrees maybe. So I'm going to wait for a night that's going to be maybe 30 to 35 degrees. I know I'm a wimp, but it's very cold. So I'll try to get out there soon. But, we looked at the stars for a while, so I think I'm going to wait until it starts to get a little bit warmer at night, or maybe, maybe in a couple weeks or so, around Christmas time or something. Go out there and look at, maybe to see if we can see the Christmas star, but I don't know. I think that's a star that comes every 100 years. But anyway, it's perfect sunset to end a very cold day and windy day.